Your next task is going to be to go into the home controller and modify the index action method to create an HTTP GET, basically a GET method that's going to display the empty form, and then to create an HTTP POST action method that is going to be executed when that form is submitted. When the form is submitted, it's going to come back to the controller. We're going to create a model object because we're going to have the model data. And then we can take that model object and calculate the future value and store it. And then we can call our view or route to the view, and we can actually pass the model with all the data. And the future value is going to get passed in the view bag. So you're going to want to incorporate those changes, and then you can test. And I do have a typo in here that is going to give me a problem. And I'm going to show you the types of things that you can run into. So at this point, everything looks correct. So I'm going to go ahead and key in some values. And I would expect when I hit calculate that the future value is going to be filled in. And you're going to notice it's not. So, whoa, what the heck is going on? And the clear button isn't even a link like it should be. So it would appear that maybe my tag helpers aren't working properly. So if I went back and looked at my view, I mean, I have all of these tag helpers, but it doesn't look like they're working right. So then let me take a look at my view imports, because that is where I have the tag helper coming in, and I have a typo. This is super easy to do when you are not familiar with what these should look like. So ASP.NET Core does not have a dot in there. And now if I save all my changes and I run it, it's going to work. So if your app does not work, there is a reason for it. And it can be something very simple, like you have an extra dot. And you can see now my clear, the link is available. And now it is working like it should.